Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This one I draw a teaspoon. Someone remarked that it was the most dangerous weapon, so that ended up in the thumbnail. But anyhow, it's funny how sometimes the most mundane things you draw can end up being some of your favorite things, and so I thought I'd share this one with you anyway. Hope you enjoy it. I guess I'll leave all the other stuff in the description below, and yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next video. Until then, I'll catch you later. Bye.